Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Roblox and the error message, failed to download or apply critical settings. Please check your internet connections, error info, HTTP error, SSI, connect, fail. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to adjusting the DNS server addresses for Roblox error. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then, once na-open mo na itong control panel, so dapat nakaselect dito yung category. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network and internet. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network and sharing center. So, i-click lang natin yan. And then, kailangan natin iselect dito yung ating Wi-Fi connections. Okay, so makikita nyo dito yung ating connections type. So, select mo lang yan, double click. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating connections general settings. And then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung properties. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa ating networking properties, and then dito lang sa this connections uses the following items, ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Internet Protocol versions for TCP/IPv4. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung properties. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa ating Internet Protocol versions properties, so dito lang sa general. And then, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung use the following DNS server address. Okay, so dito sa preferred DNS server, so dapat nakalagay dito yung 8.8.8.8. And then, dito naman sa kanyang alternate DNS server, ay dapat nakalagay dito yung .8.8.4.4. So, ito yung ilalagay mo lang and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to modify at command prompt. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So, i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig space yung //DNS and one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So, this command flushes and reset the DNS resolver cache, effectively resolving the Roblox error for a significant number of issues. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSOC space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the WANSOC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So after dito sa command prompt, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Roblox HTTP error, TLS verifications, fail to download or apply critical settings. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.